Hi y'all, this is Daniel with MyColdTherapy and MyColdTherapy. I wanted to quickly walk you through a question that we often get, and that is, how do I actually subscribe to your channel? We mentioned in all of our videos it would be really helpful if you were to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The main reason for this is that it gives us the opportunity to then have this video and our videos that we try to build to help customers and patients better understand specifically how to use their products, benefits of their products, and tutorials just like this video to ensure that individuals have a better understanding of the products they're about to purchase. So it would help us out tremendously if you do like the video and you have found it helpful to come in and subscribe to our channel. That way more people can find the great content that we've been showing. The easiest way to do this is if you go to our channel. So when you're on our home page, which you'll see at the top, it'll say @MyColdTherapy /featured. And on the home page, it'll be right here, home. You'll see this one button that says subscribe. It's as simple as this. The moment you're on our home page, just click subscribe and voila, you'll see some beauty and you've now subscribed. If you have any additional questions, feel free to add it in the comments section below this video, and we hope this is helpful.